Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Bibbidi box unboxing. This beautiful box just literally came the other day. Is it upside down? Yes it is. It came the other day and I was like, I have to get this video recorded and up as soon as possible because I'm so excited to see what's in this box. So this is my fantasy box. It's $59.99. I have a monthly subscription. I think it renews every 3 months, and you have a wish list and you have a preference list when you order these. And in preferences you can kind of tell them everything that you have, things that you're looking for, things you want, things you don't want. And like say if every time you get a new pairs of ears, you can just like update it and say like, okay, I have this one, this one, this one. Anyways, and then they have their wish list, which I've definitely put a few items on my wish list in the past, and I would say 99% of the time I always get it. So last month I put a few items on my wish list, and they were kind of like on the higher end of my budget for my box. So I'm excited to see what I got, and yeah. So without further ado, let's open this box. All right, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. Again, this box is very, very light. My last two boxes, no, I think my last box was very light compared to the other one, but one of them had a mug. So I see that they finally went back to these cards. They typically do them a couple times a year. They change them up depending on the holidays and the season. So I think in my last couple of boxes I didn't have this, so it's great to have this again. And there's the bag, and there's a little note in here. So let me see this first. So this typically will have your packing slip, which is right here, so we'll save that for the end. And so it's just a cute little card like that with the pocket. All right. Okay, so this is a note like this. And it says, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of a lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account by logging into bibbidi.club. Okay, this is the first time I ever got a notice like this. I do have it in my preference that I prefer high quality over quantity. So let's see. But this is the first time ever, and I think I've been with them for just about a year now. Okay, this is the bag. It's very light. Like it's it's there's like no weight to it at all. All right. Okay, this is Disney Parks Resorts exclusive, and this is a pen. Let me see if I can take this out. So it looks like it's Coco, which Coco is on my preference list. And this is, it has a price on it, so this is $14.99. Wow, I'm sorry it's taking me such a long time. I can't even get it open. I would, and I say this probably in my every video, I would not pay $15 for this pen, especially for myself, like when I'm in a Disney parks and I have to splurge on my kids left and right. But this is a nice surprise. I think that's the beauty of getting these Bibbidi boxes, because you just get things that you normally wouldn't have. And I love Coco. Coco is definitely, yes, on my preference, and Coco, it is thundering. By the way, so we live in New York, more in the New York City area. The amount of rain, thunder, lightning, tornado watch, warnings, flash flooding, high temperatures, 99, 100, 85, 95, 85, 95, 1000% humidity. Like you would think we live in Florida. Like we don't even have to move anymore. Anyways, it started thundering, and the dog, my neighbor's dog, just lost its marbles. Ah! Okay, So this was one of the items that I put on my wish list. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right, oh, I'm so happy. All right, I know this is expensive and the price is right there. This is $55. So it's these earrings. I don't know if this company is new, but I've just recently been seeing it, and I've purchased earrings from them from Nordstrom's, and seeing that Bibbidi is actually carrying some of their products. So these are like over the top. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at them. Look how beautiful. Can you see it good? You see that price? Yeah. But I wanted these. I wanted these earrings. I thought, this was my thought process. I thought that this would be perfect to have when I'm in Disney World and we're going out to dinner, and this would be just that perfect little touch without being very extra, even though I think this is extra. All right, let me see if I can put this on real quick. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are cute. They're not very heavy because I can't like, not that I can't wear, oh my god, that thunder is insane. Not that I can't wear heavy earrings, but I don't really like. All right, I dropped one of the backs on the floor, and I have a very fluffy carpet, so I have to find it afterwards. But anyways, let me get a little bit closer. Oh, this one's gonna fall out. Maybe I should show you this one. Did you just hear that? See how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love them. Oh my gosh. I don't know where the back is. Oh, you guys already pretty much know the prices of these items. Sometimes they leave the prices, other times there's nothing on the back. So, oh, okay. So this is my Fantasy Box monthly subscription, and this box was put together with love by Trish. Not sure who Trish is. I've never had Trish. I've always had either Mama B or Amanda, I believe. So this is a new person. So the Disney Parks exclusive Cocoa pen is $14.99. I love it. I'm definitely gonna use it. It's like, I'm petrified of lightning and thunder. Petrified. And so I'm excited to have this out, especially during Halloween. And oh my god, I have Cocoa ears and they would totally match, so I can be like sitting with my ears and my pen. And then the Disney Parks exclusive Mickey Mouse Icon fireworks earrings, $55. See, I feel like this just happened because I just started seeing them in Nordstrom's, and I don't typically shop at Nordstrom's, but it pops up on my Facebook, and I saw a different one, and I purchased it, but now they're saying that this is Disney Parks exclusive. So I guess now they're selling them in the parks, which is very interesting. I'm gonna have to check it out, but I love them. Oh my god, so pretty. Woo! I'm so happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the thunder, for the background music of Mother Nature. I'm so happy with this box. I swear to you, like, the longer you stay with them and the more detailed your preference list is, and the more active you are on your preference list, you're like really getting the items that you want. I'm just afraid this one's gonna fall because I lost the back. I've just been so happy with all of these boxes. Like, it's just amazing. I'm so happy. So thank you so much, Bibbidi. I really enjoyed my box, and I can't wait for my next one, because I hope my next one is gonna be my birthday box. It has to be my birthday box, so I'm super excited. All right guys, see you soon. Bye.